How to import products from Aliexpress to Shopify for free. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how we can get this done very easily. So let's just go ahead and get started. First, you'll need to install a specific app that is going to pretty much just do the work for you. So in order to do that, we simply just want to go to our Shopify admin, go to apps, click on add apps, and click on Shopify App Store. From here, we simply just want to go to the search up top and search for Zappy. Once we do that, we should be able to find this one right here, Zappy Aliexpress Dropship Pod. Just go in and click on install. Mainly with the free plan, you need to know that you get 20 products published to store. So this is for the free one. Now you have other options as well, other applications out there, but this is going to be one of the best out there to use. Anyways, just go and click on install once you actually find it. Click on install one more time. And then once you're in this page, you simply just want to choose the plan. I chose the Explore one, which is the free one. So just go and click on choose this plan once you're done. And then it should take you back to the main page, which is right here. So next up is going to actually be finding the actual product that you want. Now you can just go to the product catalog, and you're going to find a bunch of products that you can select from here. But at the end of the day, in this video, we will show you how to import specific products. So in order to do so, again, you will need to just go to the product catalog. And then from the search here, we simply just want to find the URL to the product we want and paste it in here. So in this case, let's just say I just went to Aliexpress, by the way. So just go visit Aliexpress, and in this case, we will just use this one as an example, this product. So once you actually find the product that you like, just go ahead and copy the URL to it, and just go back to Shopify to the application. All you need to do now is just go ahead and click on the search again, click on Control V, or just paste in the URL, hit enter, and you should be able to actually see it right in front of you. So from here, you can feel free to select a variant if you want to. You can feel free to edit to the product, and then once you're happy with it, just click on push product. Now, whatever product that you actually push, you're going to be able to find it within the product center. So you can just feel free to repeat this process, import as many products as you like, as long as it's, if you're on the free plan, it's going to be below 20 or 20. So anyway, just go to product center once you're done. And once you're in here, you can just go ahead and click on any product that you have in here and adjust the title, adjust the description. Just make sure that the description actually, tells people exactly what they're going to be buying. But you can feel free to adjust the title and description in here, the SEO title and description, and also the price points for each variant. Once you're done here, you simply just want to scroll up, go to channel status. You should be able to see Shopify. Click on it and just make sure that it is active. Click on save and update. And now we're just going to wait for it to load. Once it's done loading, we can just scroll to the right and we should be able to see channel status active. And then from here, if we just go to products from our Shopify, we should be able to actually find the product as it is. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.